This morning, I'm in one of Hong Kong's oldest neighborhoods, Sham Shui Po. One of the most densely populated parts of the city is where I found one of its best-kept secrets.
How many different types of tofu products do you make?
I think we have over 20 types of tofu products in our shop.
So I recognize this one, like tofu squares.
Yeah, it's tofu puff, yeah.
And then what's that one? That looks fantastic.
This one is for Chinese hot pot.
Okay.
You just put it into the soup for 3 seconds and it's
then...
tasty. I'm Renee So. I'm the 5th generation owner running this tofu shop in Sham Shui Po neighborhood in Hong Kong. Our shop has been running for more than 60 years.
And all of these products come from one tofu recipe?
Yes, all comes from soya bean.
So how old is the recipe here?
Over 100 years.
That's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
And do you make fresh tofu every single day?
Every 2 hours. Our kitchen operates 18 hours a day.
Oh my gosh.
360 days. Yeah.
Wow.
A year.
Time to make the tofu.
This easily overlooked neighborhood is where you can still find traditional Hong Kong tucked into its nooks and crannies. And Renee's little family nook is known for its century-old tofu recipe that begins with soaked soybeans getting liquefied by a stone grinder that's been in operation for 50 years. Once the fiber has been filtered away, it gets boiled in giant copper woks, and then gets filtered again in a cotton bag by hand. Then it's firmed up by adding gypsum powder. Once it goes into these wooden boxes and the excess liquid is pressed out, the tofu is ready, and it's used to make a huge variety of specialties, including what is considered to be the city's best version of this.
Fresh tofu pudding.
This is what you're known for.
Yes.
How do you order it? Like, is this? Can you order it with different condiments?
Usually we put the cane sugar on top. Yes.
Just dig in.
Yes. Can you try?
This is just comfort food. So lovely.
It's very simple, but healthy food.
So this is a sort of a Hong Kong style
Yes.
tofu pudding?
In Hong Kong, people prefer eating the tofu pudding with sugar, but people from Shanghai, they like to put soy sauce.
As a dessert?
Yes.
Do you get all types coming in here?
Yes, we have all types of people coming to our shop. I think they come here not just for the pudding itself, they come here for their childhood, history, and they also want to have a look of the old Hong Kong as well and teach the next generation about the history. And also they want to try the tofu pudding. So I try my best to keep the business running because I really want more people to know about the history of Hong Kong and also can have a taste of it, not just seeing the pictures in the museums. But in the tofu, you can taste the old Hong Kong.
This is what people want to come and see, how people really live, how people go about their daily lives.
Yeah, I always hope more people in Hong Kong can keep the old traditional food business keep running because it also represents Hong Kong. So if more people can keep running the old business, I think it will make our society more diverse.
Are you hungry after that one? I bet. Well, for more of what I did, click here for the full episode and here to subscribe. I always get asked if I eat everything that's in front of me. Heck yeah! Sometimes I do give some to my crew. I always like to share, unless they're, I don't know, sometimes they can be a little ornery and then they get no food.